Okay, this is called My Old Pocket Knife. God, I know you see me like a pure spirit, because Jesus paid for all of my sin. But I know what I've done, I don't deserve it. I've done nothing to deserve your heaven. I'm not sure how I'll act seeing Jesus. I'd like to think that I'll act really cool, but I think my weak knees will fall down on those golden streets, knowing that I've played the fool. I know that there's a lot of your people up in heaven. They're gonna judge angels and have important stuff to do. But I know I'm not fit for your heaven, so I'll just mow the lawn if that's okay with you. Lord, I'll just pull some weeds in your garden, catch you fish from the river of life. Lord, I don't need a mansion that you made me, just a tent and a rake and my old pocket knife. I'd like to get you a present, but I've got nothing. I couldn't make you anything good enough. But if you'd make me your gardener forever, I'd be happy as the best of your flock. It ain't hard to love God from a distance, 'cause you're perfect and you're strong and you care. But up close all I see is my failure. Even though you've forgiven me, it really ain't fair. But my new body, it ain't gonna have any cancer. And my new heart, it won't be broken in two. Maybe you'll make me a little bit smarter, so I'll know better then what in heaven's name to do. Lord, I'll just pull some weeds in your garden, catch you fish from the river of life. Lord, I don't need the mansion that you made me, just a tent and a rake and my old pocket knife. I'm not sure how it works in heaven. I'm not too sure what I'll see when I'm there. Well, I know that I'm saved, but in all honesty, I'll only be there by a wing and a prayer. I've tried here on earth, but I'm a failure. There's nobody as broken and dumb. And I'm ashamed that you paid for my sinning. But hey, Lord, we had one heck of a run.